Today I wanted to make a video about what CRPS is. So CRPS stands for Complex Regional Pain Syndrome, and it's a big long acronym that basically means that the nerves in my leg before I amputated had PTSD and they fired over and over and over and over again, and it was basically like living in hell. Living with CRPS was awful, but as awful as it was, I want to raise awareness for it because it really feels like living with your leg stuck in this bucket of ice water and you can't take it out, and at the same time it's just on fire constantly. There's a pain scale for CRPS where CRPS is compared to things like kidney stones and childbirth, and even rated above childbirth and kidney stones lies CRPS. CRPS is known as one of the most painful diseases a human can experience. And unfortunately for me, there's no cure to CRPS. But fortunately for me, I had the option to amputate. Now, not everyone with CRPS does have the option to amputate. There are people out there that live with this disease day in and day out in their entire bodies. A lot of people with CRPS in a limb lose functionality over time of that limb, and it's because the pain can get so incredibly intense. Now, how do you know if someone really has CRPS or not? Now, it's not really our place to judge, but there's a few things that are indicative of this disease, and that is changing color of the limb and it feeling constantly cold, and then the pain, the just indescribable constant pain. Before I amputated, my foot used to go purple all the time, and it was absolutely awful, to be honest. CRPS used to leave me curled up on the couch all day, every day, just moaning and crying and screaming in pain all day. And that was me most of the day, was me curled up, moaning, screaming, just like it hurts so bad, and there was nothing anyone could do. So today I wore my Phoenix shirt in awareness of CRPS. But the true color of CRPS awareness is orange. So if you want to support someone with CRPS, there's many ways to do it. And there's many organizations out there that you can donate to support people with CRPS. I'm going to be putting the links in the description down below to places where you can donate and make a difference. The best way to raise awareness for CRPS is to help me share this video. Share it with someone that doesn't know what CRPS is, and share it on your wall, share it on Facebook, share it anywhere you want. Help me get the word out that CRPS is real and that it's this invisible disability that people cannot see on the outside. Thank you for coming and watching and learning more about CRPS. I hope that now you can leave this video more educated than you were before. And I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, click over here to subscribe. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. I hope to see you next week. Thank you!